You've already built an audience, even a small one. You could be sitting on a recurring monthly income without even realizing it. Maybe you've got a YouTube channel, an email list, a Facebook group, an Instagram following. The problem isn't getting people's attention anymore. The problem is you're sending the attention somewhere else, but you're not monetizing it consistently. So most creators solve the problem by paying for platforms like School, Patreon, Circle, Kajabi, or some combination for all of them. And then they need another tool for email, another one for subscription, another one for automation, payment, and more. And before they know it, they're paying hundreds of dollars every month just to run a community. But what if you could build a paid community, collecting recurring subscription, and automate onboarding, sell courses, manage your CRM, and send emails all in one platform? Well, let me go ahead and introduce you to GoHighLevel because it exactly does all of that in one platform. In this video, I'll exactly show you how new paid communities feature work, how I set it up, and why this completely replace your existing community software. And so before we jump right in, if you decided GoHighLevel is the right platform for your business, check out the link on the description box below or the pinned comment to start your extended free trial. So before we proceed on to our account dashboard, let's start with why this feature is actually important. Now, most creators focus on getting more followers, more subscribers, more views, but followers don't pay your bill. Recurring revenue does. So think about it this way, a YouTuber subscriber can disappear tomorrow, and Facebook can reduce your reach overnight. Instagram can change the algorithm, but someone paying you every month inside their own community, that's predictable revenue. That's an actual business. Instead of waking up wondering whether your latest post will perform, you wake up knowing exactly how much recurring income in your community generates each month. That's the difference between building an audience and building a business. So you want to jump onto the GoHighLevel dashboard, which is going to be this one. And from here, there's going to be a tab for membership. So click on it. In here, you have the communities drop down menu. This is where you'll create your paid community. So simply click on something like groups. From here, click create community. Inside, this setup is surprisingly simple. Of course, you can enter your group name, the group URL, the group description, discovery, and you have branding right here if you want to customize the logo, the cover image of the actual community, and the profile right here. Now, of course, you could customize this to whatever your preference is. After creating your group, by default, it will basically be set to a public community and a free one. So in order to customize even further, you want to navigate through your group's dashboard. Once inside, click the settings button. And in here, we have the update group details. So navigate through subscriptions, and here it is. Once again, you could customize your subscriptions, but in here, click add price, and you can add the pricing for your community. Let's say that the price that we are looking for is $20 USD. It's going to be a recurring subscription, not one time, but of course you could make it one time if you want to. But ideally, if we're speaking about business, you then want to make this a recurring revenue. We have trial days if you want to put it that way. And the billing period right here is going to be customizable to weekly, annually, and monthly. So click add price. Heading back to the details option, in here you could also set your group to public. Anyone can see the group post and other members of the group. And on private, only members can see the group post and other members on the actual group right here. So in my case, I want it to be private, so let's set it that way. And lastly, we could click save. In here, of course, they have additional features. If you want to make your membership questions, you can add it this way. Click add question, and here you want to keep it short in order for the person to go ahead and read it off the get-go. You can also gamify your actual community, so in that way your community will be engaged nonetheless. Now, here's the part that really separates GoHighLevel from another community platforms. Most people think, oh, it's just another school competitor. Not really, because the community isn't a separate product. It's part of your business operating system. So think about everything that's already inside GoHighLevel: your CRM, your email marketing, SMS, calendar, funnels, courses, automation, and many, many more. Now add your paid community on top of all that. Your members don't need 5 different login. Everything lives in one place, which means that every action inside your community can trigger automation. If someone joins, automatically tag them. If someone sends an welcome email, you could send them a message. You could enroll them in onboarding, assign them to a pipeline, book an onboarding call. Everything happens automatically, not just community software. That's business automation connected directly to recurring revenue. So once again, as a quick reminder, if you're interested or if you are following along and want to build your own paid community with GoHighLevel, the link is waiting for you in the description below. So let's keep going. Now let's talk about numbers. Suppose your membership costs $47 per month. That's approximately 1,800 every month recurring, not from launching another course, not from chasing sponsorships, not from hoping your next YouTube video goes viral, just recurring membership revenue. Now imagine 100 members, 200 members, the business starts becoming much more predictable. And because everything lives inside GoHighLevel, you're not paying for 5 separate tools to basically make this all happen. And so, as a final side note, if you're already creating content, already helping people, and already building an audience, the next logical step isn't just getting more followers, it's creating recurring revenue. GoHighLevel makes that easier by giving you one place to build your paid community, collect subscription, automate your onboarding, and manage your entire business. So, whether you're a coach, consultant, course creator, or educator, this feature has the potential to turn your audience into a real membership business. And so if you're ready to build your own paid community and GoHighLevel, start with the extended free trial using the link in the description or the pinned comment below. You'll be able to explore the community's feature, recurring subscription, automation, and everything else we've covered today. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more GoHighLevel tutorials and other digital products out there. Let me know in the comments below if this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching.